Hello, everyone. Welcome to the class of E-Plan and Electrical Control Technology. Previously, we have focused on the methods and steps of part-based design. Although the steps are more tedious, the drawings can carry a large amount of information, which makes full preparations for making layout plans and automatically generating parts lists in the later stage. After the schematic diagram is drawn, if you want to display more equipment properties information on the drawing, you need to add Display Property in the Component Properties dialog box. Next, we will add some display properties to the control schematic diagram drawn in the last lesson. The specific operation steps are as follows. Let's add manufacturer and part number for the contactor KM1. Double-click the KM1 coil symbol to pop up the Properties dialog box and select the Display tab. In the text box, under the Display tab, the contents of the current equipment displayed on the drawings are listed. Click New button to pop up the Properties Selection dialog box. In the Properties list, there are a large number of equipment properties. We can check them one by one to select the display properties, but that will be too much work. An efficient way is to directly enter the name of the property to be displayed in the filter, such as the manufacturer. At this time, only the list with the property name Manufacturer will be displayed in the property list. Select the correct manufacturer information and click OK. The property information of manufacturer will be added in the display box of component properties. On the right side of the display box, you can also modify the font size and color of the display properties. We change the font size to 1.8 millimeters and the color to black. Click OK. So that the manufacturer information just added will be displayed at the lower left of the component symbol. Add the display properties of the part number with the same method. Click New. Fill in the part number in the filter. Click OK. Change the color to black and click OK. In the drawing, the information of the manufacturer and equipment model just added will be displayed at the bottom left of the component symbol. Then, use the same method to add display information for other equipment and complete the drawing of control circuit. If you want to modify the default display format of all drawings to be the same as that of the coil KM1 of the contactor, you need to modify them one by one, which will greatly increase the workload of drawing. Is there a more efficient method? The answer is yes. E-Plan provides the function of Format Painter, which is convenient for copying display formats easily and quickly. The specific operation method is as follows. Click the KM1 coil. Click the Copy Format button on the toolbar. Select the symbol of the component whose properties need to be modified. And finally, click the Specify Format button on the toolbar. In this way, all selected objects will have the display properties of coil KM1 with one-click copy. Next, the display attributes of other devices will be displayed uniformly in the same way. The specific operation method is as follows. Select coil KM1 symbol, click Copy Format button, press and hold the Control key to select other component symbols, and then click the Specify Format button. If the copied format has overlapping texts and symbols, further modification is required. The specific operation method is as follows. Right-click the symbol, select Text, and move the Properties text to display normally. Then, continue to refresh other displays with format brushing. The above is the operation process of adding display information to parts in the graphic. The above is about the addition and display of equipment properties information. Have you got it? Let's leave the drawing of the main circuit to you after class. In this lesson, we focused on how to add the display properties of parts and adjust the display format of the whole drawing after the schematic diagram is drawn. We also learned the use method of Format Painter in ePlan, which greatly improves the drawing efficiency. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time.